Is the media not ready? Okay.
Just stop.
See,
Yes, don't worry, don't worry.
Now why we know?
Just let the lawyers have. Well, you know, we have always told you that in and out of the courtroom, our opportunity presents itself to prove to Nigerians, that Nigerians don't have honest leaders. One of the things I picked out during today's trial is how panicked they are. To the point that, at the point, the senior lawyer handling this was so panicked about me that he had to request that I drop my phone on the table because he said Sowore would be recording and sending this out. He was so panicked. But the other part, which was very interesting, they played the video of President Tinubu in Brazil saying that there's no corruption in that. And the whole court, there was an uproar in the court. So, for me, that is the end of the case. But like I've always said, when you meet these guys, and I've met them several times since I was a student union leader in the 90s, they have their priorities wrong. Even the guy they brought to come and testify, when they asked the senior advocate of Nigeria to affirm that he's an expert, he said he cannot affirm that he's an expert. But one thing I can affirm is that the guy is an expert loafer. They have nothing doing in the DSS. You know, I stayed 5 months with the DSS. These guys were watching BB Niger. So that they even had time to be monitoring the internet is an improvement. But don't forget that this is the same week some 177 Christians were abducted in Kaduna, Kajuru area of Kaduna. Nobody has been rescued. Nobody has been arrested. The Boko Haram, the DSS has not been able to pick up any posting, even some of them on TikTok, and arrested the bandits that are on TikTok. But I see it as a honorable thing that they take me so seriously that they have to pay attention to my words and actions. So we are going to be back next week Tuesday for the continuation of the sham trial. That's what it is. But the struggle continues. This can never slow us down. We have no time for this, but we appreciate the opportunity to also use this platform and the privilege we have to use this platform to keep warning Nigerians that you don't have serious leaders. Thank you very much.
Revolution
now. Thank you.
Hey, guy. This guy really operates phone now. What's that?
Rose, you ran away for pictures, Abby.
If I had my way, as I feel like, because that's the most central place.
I get good news, we just face the call. Apart from the media.
You are a leader. Go behind. You are a leader. You are